A short phrase and sentence for you today is Isiebe, Isiebe, which means you are from where? Isiebe, you are from where? And if you ask me this question as your teacher, my response will be Esim Enugu. Esim Enugu, which means I am from Enugu. Put your own state, nation, or country there where you are learning from or you are watching this and say Esim Lagos, Esim America, Esim Kaduna, and then observe that the subject pronoun I in Igbo language is always written together with the rest of the word. So you don't have M separate. Esim Enugu. They are always together. So take note of that and go ahead and practice this. Ask somebody out there, Isiebe, and expect a response. And as you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the next upload. Also like and comment so that I will know how to serve you better. God bless you.